Hello students, this is Supriya Wala, your biology teacher. Once again, I'm with you. A topic is cell division. But today is not the reading session, today is for your evaluation session. I only recap or shortly derived or described about the cell division, then you give some questions answer. First of all, cell division is the process by which a parental cell divides into two or more daughter cells. Cell division usually occurs as a part of a larger cell cycle. First of all, cell division, also known as cell reproduction. Why? Because here new cells are formed when old cells divide. And cell cycle means a complete turn of a cell life, or in a cell life a cell complete some different phases. These phases are interphase and M phase. Interphase, you can say it is the deciding or before the division stage, and M phase is the stage where division is start. For example, you can see in this picture the cell division is mitosis cell division. You can say first stage is the interphase. Interphase where cell can grow. First of all the content inside the cell, then cell particularly duplicate or doubling the number of DNA, and then or lastly cell check if any error during this period. So interphase has three different phases. Phase number 1 is the growth phase. Phase number 2 is the S phase or synthetic phase, and phase number 3 you can say G2 phase. After clearing these three phases, cell enter into the M phase, and M phase either may be mitosis cell division or meiosis cell division. In mitosis, cell gives the two daughter cells, and in meiosis cell division, cell gives the four daughter cells. That's all about the recap of the cell division. Now you have some questions regarding the cell division. Question number 1 only occurs in the gonads to produce gametes. Question 1. Before you complete or recap about the question number 1, another question, student: what happened when meiosis division not occurs in gametes? I think you have already given two hints about the question number 2. Next question: which of the following is mitosis not used for? Mitosis cell division, everywhere present, occurs in the body except the sex cell or in the gametes. So you have the option and you can choose your answer. Next question: during which stage to mitosis do the centromere splits? Centromere is the part which is present on the chromosome or a part of chromosome, and here you can understand the answer. Next question: during which stage of mitosis does cytokinins usually occurs in animal? You know very well. After the end phase or the end of the nucleus division, cell start the divide their cytoplasm, and your option is already given here. And last question is assembling the cell divisions, or in mitosis division you very well know about the 4 different phases are prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. So you can rearrange this word. Thank you and best of luck.